not give a fuck. Oh, yo, what's good? Yeah, I was literally just texting you back. Chilling, man, chilling. Dude, you see this crazy fucking move already? I'm so upset. I was trying to, I literally at market open yesterday at 6 p.m. I was like, yo, this shit's gonna rip. I was like, yo, I want to buy this and hold it. And then I fucking forgot to. Dude, it's fucking crazy. Nas is already up over fucking 200 points in the fucking overnight session. No, I don't think so. I think it was only Nvidia like all week was the only one big one. Yeah, today is companies I've never even fucking heard of. Don't worry about. And then we had what's today? Thursday, right? Yeah. We had unemployment claims at 8:30, and then we had PMI data at 9:45 that we have to watch. We're grabbing a little bit of red here prior to open, which is not shocking. Kind of expected that. Yeah, I was in Nas longs yesterday prior to Nvidia earnings as I was playing the momentum, and then I closed it right before the report came out, and then it fucking skyrocketed. I was like, fuck. But I just didn't want to. I didn't want to gamble the report, you know. My question is, do we bounce here? Because this was the previous last high. The momentum to the downside looks a little weak, though. I think we break through this area, but we have open in 2 minutes. At 967. Yeah, PMI at 945. Manufacturing PMI, it's considered a high impact news, but it's less impact than like other high impact, if that makes any sense. Damn, where I moved my my computer setup into my room temporarily, it's right next to my bedroom window, so it fucking lights me up like a Christmas tree. I look like a ghost on YouTube. Holy. Yeah, that was from the 5 to 6 o'clock close. That's what happens. So that's I was waiting for the gap fill to come in, and then I wanted to buy longs, and then we just never got the gap fill. Unfortunate, but still good. This is like a potential area of interest right here. Ah, did it? It took a shit on you? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. What was it? It's a laptop? Oh, okay, yeah, the Air's a little cheaper. I actually, yeah, of course. It's like the dealerships, the same shit. Damn, it's that much? Okay, okay, I was about to say a month. I was like, damn, bro, that's like car insurance. Yeah, it does. It doesn't make sense to dump the extra money into a old ass model. Yeah, 450 now plus tax. That's 500. Yeah, looks like we're trying to actually break lower here. I might take shorts. It looks like we're just going to see a big take profit at market open, in my opinion. That's what I'm assuming, at least. And boom, just made $900. Oh, I'm sorry, 1,010 I made. It was that simple. I'm done for the day. Bye. Dude, trading these 250 accounts are fucking wild. ES is selling off. Yeah, this is the previous low, the last dump before we push back up. But I think that we're gonna get that big candle on the 15 at 10:45 p.m. that we had. I think we're gonna fill. That candle is 5,346 and 50 cents. So we're a little bit away from that. Ooh, Nas keeps dropping here, bro. Ooh, I closed that thing early. That's okay. Damn, I left like fucking 15 points on the table there. That's all good though. It literally touched my exact level at 9:30 here and started showing a little bit of wick back up. So let's see what it does here at 9:30. I think it's gonna. I think it has room to break below it though. I want to see if it could gap fill down to 9:10 on NQ. What happened? You mad laggy? ES is making new lows here. Bro, why is it log me out like that? This shit is so fucking annoying. Mine's not laggy. Mine just logs me out randomly. We're gap filling down to 9:30 here on NQ on the hourly. But then we have another two strong body candles all the way down from 9:10, and then next area of interest is 865. Is Anthony trading today? Where's Anthony at? Anthony's been killing it. Yeah, we keep dabbling with this 930 area here. I think we're actually going to break even lower, honestly, in my opinion. Yeah, it looks like we're trying to break here. I closed it early too. Ah, damn. It's all good, bro. We'll make it back. Yeah, no, honestly, bro, we're still dabbling with the support area here. Look, it might push back up and give you a re-entry, or it might reverse. Like, it's not the craziest thing to close it at the support level, because it's like, oh yeah, what happens if the support level holds up? It's like, okay, like that's a good trade. Like, look, bro, you'd be down a few hundred right now. NQ is bouncing a lot harder than ES. What were you in, ES or NQ? Oh, okay, okay, yeah. NQ is bouncing a lot harder, but still. What time frame? 5? Okay. The move below 62 was the good move. Once we cleared that 62 area, that's when I entered the NQ shorts on ES. Well, I'm trading NQ based off of ES. It's like if I know the overall market's breaking a key level, I know Nasdaq's going to follow. For the most part, of course. Yeah, man, I don't want to fight this strong ass uptrend on the day, right? But it's like, fuck, man, like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's wait on that moment. Yeah, look, we're bouncing right here at that 930 area on NQ. Yeah. Yeah, I was just taking a quick scalp, honestly, because I knew PMI was at 945. But I was like, oh, that opening bell momentum, people just going to lock in profits. It's such an obvious play. Oh, the degenerates that fucking swung Nvidia and shit. Like, I have some of my boys like fucking like boasting on social media right now, like, oh, I made 40 grand this morning in my sleep, and I'm like, bro, but at what risk? Like, like you're gambling fucking earnings calls. Like that's not good trading. You're not gonna last long if you do that type of shit all the time. Every once in a while, okay, but like when that's your only winners that you post, it's like, ooh, something's wrong. We got 6 minutes on it. Yep. Ooh, ES is making new lows here. Holy fuck. NQ did break. NQ's breaking. Yep. There's the fucking play. Next level is 908. Nas is holding this area though right now. It looks like it's starting to get a little bit weaker though. I'm not touching it though. We got PMI coming up in 4 minutes. I'm already up 1,000 in the day. I'm not really worried about it. Bro, my fucking mouse is like tripping the fuck out. What is going on? It's like not working. It's just like spinning in circles. What the fuck? It's like every time I move my setup, like something else like fucks up or breaks or... Working with computers is such a pain in the ass. You hear like a new noise coming out of the fucking system or something. You're like, oh, I didn't hear that before. Yeah, dude, this shit is looking weak. I want to see if PMI saves it or if it completely reverses the entire day. Imagine that PMI gives us that gap fill down on NQ. So that 830 area, bro, I honestly don't fucking doubt it with this type of red here. Damn, bro, I left fucking $4 grand on the table just now. Hindsight's a bitch. I wouldn't honestly held below 930 though, so that's okay. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this type of drop at open though. Bro, honestly, yo, don't be scared to like size up a little bit. If you're only scalping and you're looking for, 10 point plus or minus, it's like you might as well size up. I only tell people to size down when they have like wide ass stop losses or no trading plan. Well, that's going to be $20 a point. So if you grab 10 points, it's $200. That's on, yeah, that's only 10 points. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Instead of trading 10 contracts, why don't you just do one ES? Well, it's the same thing. 10 is 1. No, it's identical. The mini contract is 1/10 the size. So if you have 10 minis, it's one regular contract. So you're gonna just pay more in fees. The only yeah. So that's what you're leaving yourself is that room to scale it now by taking the micros. Yeah. And also if you wanted to like average into a position, like let's just say it's like in between your support and resistance here, but like the momentum's strong. So it's like, oh, I want to get in without missing this move. But my stop loss isn't into, 15 points away, 20 points away. It's like you could either take a half position there, or if it does come back down to that support area, then you average into it. And then you have a tight stop after the average. You burn yourself sometimes like that, though. Not you personally, in general. It's definitely burned me a few times where I average down. I'm like, oh, let me just give it another second, and then another second turns into an extra fucking $500 loss. Boom, red right on PMI. Dude, we're gonna get this fucking gap fill. Holy shit! I didn't see the numbers. No. Oh, instant green reversal on Nas. Yo, this is interesting. Slowly but surely, bro. Let's keep it going. Yeah, well, you just needed to get back into trading. You haven't traded in forever. Yeah. Dude, there's something wrong with my mouse. What the fuck? Yeah, there's something wrong with this fucking mouse. What is going on? Yo, I'll be right back. I gotta fix this mouse. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with that. Can you back up? I don't want you in my fucking face, dude. Back up. Back up, Bubba. This fucking dog, man. Yo, you wouldn't even believe me, bro? There's dog hair in the bottom of my mouse. And it's fucking the mouse up where it literally won't work. This is crazy. I know. I'm gonna let the news settle for a second. You know we see those moves sometimes where like the initial move on the open of the news is just like it dumps and then instantly reverses to like fake people out and shit. Bro, I can't believe that's what the issue was the dog hair in the fucking mouse. That's so funny. It works now. We got more red coming in. Damn, yeah, bro. We fucking... This red is just continuing here. Yeah, I'm gonna... Like I said, I'm letting it settle. It's all good. Whatever happens, happens. Hindsight's always a bitch. I try to, like, not let it fuck with me too much. I really want to see if we get this gap filled down to this 840 area on NQ, 845. Oh, we're dropping here. Holy shit. Wow. Fuck, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, now it's dumping. We almost have that fucking gap fill already. This is crazy. Yeah, I didn't have anywhere to place a stop. Yeah, it's gonna gap fill this, but it's like if we get in now, it's like we're getting 20-point potential with a stop loss at 60 points away. The RR just ain't worth it. All good. Yep, there's the fucking gap fill. Holy shit. I was not expecting that move that quick. Wow. Punch in the air, punch in the air. Huh. ES broke right through its gap. ES has a much smaller gap than NQ does, though. Because NQ was so heavily driven from NVIDIA. How much have we already given back here? Holy fuck, we already dropped like 170 points. This is just a massive take profit at open. Oh, the institutional fucking manipulation. I'm kinda honestly content already. Yeah. Yeah, work on controlling the emotions. There's no sign of a reversal yet, but it's too late for the downside play, in my opinion. If we get like a little like retracement, then we could maybe play the downside, but yeah, we're about to touch the gap fill here. This is crazy. Holy fuck. Damn, bro, my short entry was 120 points ago. That would have literally been me passing the challenge already. That's crazy. It is all good. We're starting to bounce a little. No, not really worth talking about, actually. I'm trying to see if we bounce out of the. What's it called? 320. What? It's touching it. Here, if you have my YouTube up, I'll show you what I'm seeing. This area right here. Oh, it's coming up now. Starting to show some bounce here. It's like we have a support here on ES, and then we have the we have the gap fill on NQ like at the same price pretty much. It's like lining up perfectly. So it's like, is this where we have our relief bounce now? I think if we relief bounce on Nasdaq, we retest 910. 910 is my area on retest. Dude, this is fucking crazy. Yep, in the gap fill. Dude, I can't believe we got that gap fill so quickly. That was a fucking pretty crazy morning so far. $140-point sell-off here in 27 minutes. No big deal. Dude, it's, bro, I'm gonna, I don't want to fight this momentum to the downside, but I kind of want to take a stab at a long. It's like we're showing signs of bouncing off of this fucking gap fill. And ES is bouncing right off that 22 area that we had marked. Yeah, it looks like it wants to bounce here. I don't know if I'm being like impatient here, but damn, I kind of, fuck, dude. Yeah, I'm like missing it. I don't know. I'm not loving it, but NQ for the gap fill. NQ, yeah, I was saying I'm thinking like it could bounce, what's it called, reversal here, and bounce up a little bit. Yeah, I'm looking for like a long, but I just don't want to. So this is the thing. I don't want to fight the momentum. I'm not basing a trade just off a singular gap fill. I need to see some market orders coming in, which it looks like it's definitely fighting now. It's starting to show us a little bit of a bottom wick now, at least on both ES and NQ. Stress I'm sipping. Yeah, I don't want to chase it. Yeah. Yeah, it's because we're seeing the majority of the take profit from the tech sector. Because Nvidia pumped up the whole sector. I have 785 on NQ as my next support area. Oh, here comes a reversal. Here comes the reversal. That's what I was saying, right out of that fucking gap fill. Just made another 700 on that bounce. It was just a scalp though, because I got in a little on the late side, so I didn't have a good place for my stop. Yeah, just quick 7 points in and out. I honestly don't mind grabbing a 7 point trade. I know it sounds little, but it's like if I'm in a 7 point trade and I'm out in 15 seconds. Yeah, if it's a 15-second play and it's not like I was in it all day long and it caused me to like be stressed and shit. Watch, now it's gonna push more, but that's fine. I don't even give a shit. Yeah, there it goes. Up another 6 points from my close, but that's all good. It's so hard to like leave trades in the past after they're closed, but it's like it's something I need to personally work on. I always like look at a trade like, oh fuck, I would have made 10 grand on this or whatever, and it's like, if I would have just did this or did that, it's just like the hindsight bit shit is just fucks with your emotions and mental. I'm probably honestly done though for the day now. 2 for 2 today, $1,700. See, now look at this wick. This is exactly why I got out of that. I don't want to sound like an asshole, but like I kind of enjoy when I close out the trade and then it reverses, because then it makes me feel a little bit better about getting out early. Like I don't know if that sounds stupid or not, but it definitely does. I'm like, okay, cool. Like like it's like that confirmation. Like, okay, you did the right thing. It's like getting out of a trade at the top or the bottom. It's like oh, that was nice. Yeah, there's a saying in the industry. It actually might be from Umar. I love Umar, by the way. He's like the only guy I actually like look up to in the whole industry. Um, and the saying goes, um, I'm only looking for a small piece of the move. Trying to guess the tops and the bottoms is for the ego traders that won't be here in a few months. Ooh, this candle flips fucking red, bro. I think we could clear this low, maybe. Do we continue to this downside? PMI data going to push us right through support. Let's see what happens. NQ is trying to fight back. ES is looking weaker than NQ is. NQ, yeah. Where would you close this ES short? I think that we could easily do the wicks, bro. The wicks are crazy on this. You have 53.10, 53.11. Yeah, 320 to 310. That's what I'm looking at. Those wicks are kind of wild. We're still yet to fail to break the support though at 5322. It's starting to bounce here again now. We're still holding the support every time we retest it. It's literally bouncing off of my levels fucking perfectly. Yeah, I was looking at the 910 area too on NQ. Yeah. Levels are fucking hitting today though, bro. I've been definitely feeling like dialed in this week. I got a million things going on though in like my personal life, so it's like I'm trying to just focus on what I gotta focus on. I still haven't slept in days. Yeah, bro. It's like I sleep, but I don't sleep. Go to bed at 1, 2 in the morning, wake up at 3:30, stay up for an hour, go back to bed at 4:30, sleep to 6. It's like very just like sporadic. Yeah, I'm probably calling it in like 5-10 minutes, bro. I'm 2 for 2 on the day. I don't think I'm gonna chase this trade anymore. Yeah, no, I'm completely content with today. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Wait, what? Yeah, don't say shit, bro. Just go get him. Yup, dude, do that shit for sure. They fucked something up, or bro, they did some warranty glitch for you or something, bro. They couldn't fix your laptop, so they was like, yo, let me still help homie out. Uh huh. Yeah, because they're supposed to check the serial number on the AirPods. Hey, don't question it. Apple is profitable enough; they can afford a pair of AirPods for you. Bet. Yeah, it's like yo, it's like your product's broken right now. I can't afford a new one. I can't. I don't want to pay to fix the old shitty one because it's overpriced, and it's like y'all still gonna charge me. I remember I took my Audi to the dealer one day to get it like checked out, and the bill was like $600 just to get it for them to tell me what's wrong with it, for me to tell them that's too much money, I can't afford to fix it. Fucking sold that Audi the next week. That was actually right around the time I started working at Acura. That was the S4 I used to drive, the Nagaro blue one. Oh, you remember the motorcycles? Yeah, I was wild. I was wild on that shit. I'm like, yo, like, if I'm getting out of work at 6 o'clock and I gotta drive fucking 45 minutes home in traffic and shit, I'm like, yeah, that bike's gonna make it 20. I'll be flying. Grabbing a little bit of green here again off the support area. Sold my appetites. Nice job at Seek. Let's go, bro. I think around 11 we see volume dry up. I think that we have a little, like, probably another 30-40 minutes of volume. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm leaving. I'm leaving at 10:15. Yeah, I'm 2 for 2. I'm done for the day. I'm just watching it to see what's going on. Starting to make new highs here on this 15-minute candle. Pushing to 890 here on NQ. Ooh, damn, here we go. Keep going. It's pushing here. We're pushing here. I don't want to say it, but I left another 3 grand on the table there. It's all good. I like to calculate it just so it's like I know the potential of it. Oh my god, look at this push here, bro. Wow, we just shot up instantly to 18,900 here on NQ. Yeah, hit that 900 area. 910 is my next area of interest, and then 930. I don't even have. Mm-hmm. Are you on the 15 on that? Okay. On the 15, it's way further up. It's at 9:45 on the 15. Yeah, yeah. Because I have the 9 and 21 EMA on my other monitor. I don't really use them much. I just like they've been on the chart forever, so I just keep them there. What a fucking crazy day though, bro. Honestly, I love like days like today are fucking perfect for trading. Like this is an ideal trading day. This volatility, the overnight move, the reversals, all of our levels are hitting and working. We're trading momentum, we're trading with direction, we're trading off key levels. Like today was a great trading session. Granted, could we have held our positions a little bit longer? Of course. But that's hindsight, Harry. I'm content with it. Made $1,600 in 40 minutes. Like how can you hate this job? Yeah, bro, I'm probably calling those. What, you got an ES or MES or something? Ah. Oh, okay. So you actually made like $10 on the mistake, $20. I love mistakes like that, bro. That shit happened to me the other day. I think I already told you, but fucking, I was trading in both the 50 account, the 50K account, and the 250 account. And in the 250 account, I'm like obviously just like full sending NQ contracts, like 5 or 10. And then the 50K account, I'm like trading MNQ with like 10 contracts or 8 contracts or whatever. It's like yeah, you good, bro? Do you think? All right, this next 15-minute candle starting right now. Let's see what we're gonna get. A little bit of red here on the first 15 minutes. All right, I'm calling it here a little bit on the earlier side than expected, but we're having a great day so far, and we're going to not give back our profits. So if anybody's in the YouTube, guys, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys here tomorrow.